Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This idiot stops traffic on a highway interchange so she doesn't miss her exit. Is he out of his mind? This idiot in a white truck gets immediate karma. Made it through just in time. Did you know what a flashing yellow means? This driver unnecessarily veers into oncoming lanes to avoid a bus. This driver drives on the other side of the road to get around a van. This idiot is driving the wrong way down a two-lane road. Why didn't he look before changing lanes? This exit keeps getting closed off, and it's hard to see until it's almost too late. This BMW driver remembers to use the indicator, but forgets to check the lane. Always look before you go, even if your light is green. This idiot forgot how to put the car in park and didn't leave a note saying he hit my car. This white truck driver is upset that the car in front of him won't turn right.
Decarbonize its transport system by 2045, but only after a lawsuit brought by 13 young people. The state settled the case in which the young plaintiffs alleged that the state had infringed their rights by prioritizing the building of roads instead of greener forms of transport. Let's speak now to Andrew Rogers, one of the plaintiffs.
This happens every morning next to the train station because people think they will miss their train.
A few moments later.
Let me just quickly pull a U-turn in front of a truck. Why wait when you can cut someone off and almost cause an accident? The hesitation was me trying to figure out what her problem was, and then she ran away. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.